Hello, uh, this is Niharika. Today we are going to discuss the paper Automatic Riddle Generation for Learning Resources. This paper proposes a novel approach to automatically generating conceptual riddles with the object of deploying in e-learning environments. We're going to briefly talk about concept attainment model and then dive into the architecture of this riddle generation engine followed by the evaluation methodology. This riddle generation engine is based on an one instructional strategy in pedagogy which is shown to be effective across domains, which is concept attainment model. Concept attainment model promotes learning through a process of structured inquiry. This model is designed to lead learners to a concept by requiring them to analyze examples that contain the attributes of the concept to those which do not have. An engaging and fun way to present this model to the learners is by structuring the CAM in the form of riddles. This is the architecture of the riddle generation engine. The learning resources are passed to the triples creator module, which gives triples as the output, which are then passed to the properties identifier module, which classifies the triples as either topic marker or common based on their uniqueness. After classification and capturing all the neighboring concepts, these properties are sent to the generator module to generate riddles, which are then passed to the validator module to capture all possible answers using the lookup dictionary. This can be better explained from this example. Given a concept summary dog, the triples creator breaks down the summary into simple sentences, which are then passed to the property identifier module to determine the class of classifying it with whether it is a topic marker or common. Topic marker is the property which is unique to the concept, and common is something the property is common across different concepts. So we capture all those other concepts which have the same property in the neighboring concepts section, and all of this triples are passed to the generator module to generate easy and difficult riddles. Later, the validator module captures all possible answers to these riddles. This way we generate a lot of riddles for each concept. Diving into the evaluation part, we've generated riddles for the zoology domain, and we had 30 human evaluators that are presented with a sample of 20 riddles with both easy and difficult, along with multiple choice options and hints. Our evaluation approach targets to assess the quality of riddles, syntactic, semantic, difficulty level, engagement, informativeness, and whether they are fit for learning using 3-point Likert scale. We also try to capture the overall experience of answering riddles using the 5-point Likert scale. As shown in figure, these are the results here. As shown in this figure, we can see that around 70% of the people agreed that syntactically and semantically riddles are correct, and 63% of the people agreed that the difficulty level of the riddles is appropriate. Around 84% of the people found that the hints are helpful in solving riddles, and around 60% of the 60 to 70% people agreed that the riddles are interesting and they would be interested in learning through these riddles. When asked about the overall experience in answering these riddles, around 75% of the people agreed that the experience was good. As part of the future work, we plan to use these generated riddles to test the concept and understanding of the learner. This concludes this paper. Thank you.